There's some nice big looking waves down there. I think it's been pretty rough for the last few days, so that's always a good sign. If you do enjoy watching my fossil hunting videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving the video a like if you enjoy it. Okay everyone, we've made it onto the beach. What an absolutely beautiful day for February it is. It's looking very good down here today. There's plenty of rocks washed up all over, and here's my first find of the day. Washed up in this really big pyrite nodule, there is a Harpoceras ammonite. Can you see it poking out right there? Very cool. It's very heavy, so I'm going to stash it and come back a bit later when I'm on my way back. Look at that, a beautiful shale preserved slab full of ammonites. That's a lovely looking Dactylioceras. Let's just pull it out and check it's full. Brilliant, yep. Very nice one that. Partial Hildoceras ammonite. What are we guessing? Do you think it'll be whole? There's a partial ammonite here, but there's a nice golden one underneath this rock. Ah, it doesn't look like it's going to be complete. No. Oh well. Here we are guys, a bit of a shame. There's nothing at all showing on the outside. So I gave it a tap with my hammer, and inside there was a partial lobster. You can see the two claws coming out there, but unfortunately it's not preserved in pyrite, so all of the lobster bits have just flaked away. I've just popped an absolutely fantastic Dactylioceras ammonite. Look at that. The beauty. That's a beautiful Harpoceras, but look at the golden shine on it. I've just picked up this very sea-worn pebble and it looks like it'll be a lovely Dac inside, fully complete. I'm just making my way back. I've got quite a few nice ammonite finds. In this slab there is a huge belemnite just poking out. Hey everyone, so I've just seen an ammonite here on the top of a nodule, so I'm going to dig it out. There is a crack running here, so I'm not sure if it'll be all there, but let's find out. No, unfortunately that Elegantissimus ammonite wasn't fully preserved, which is a shame. So check this out, I'm pretty sure it's fish bone, but it looks really cool, and there's some golden pyritic ammonites washed up right against it. Really nice. I think I'm going to take that one back. I do like that side. Luckily my big Harpoceras ammonite is still right where I left it. You can see the edge just poking out right there. The only trouble is this piece of rock is big and solid, so it might be a bit of a tricky prep, but I think it's worth bringing it back up. Right, that's it for today. I'm now going to try and make my way back up with this very heavy bag up them steps. Remember guys, if you want to see more of my fossil hunting videos in the future, please consider hitting that subscribe button and giving the video a like if you've enjoyed it. Thanks, see you next time.